Yeah, feeling this. Swag out on this bitch, you dig? Watch the freestyle. I been retired that pen, my nigga. Look. Hey, where the love at? Fuck that, I don't need no love. You niggas be whining more than Young Thug. Disrespect me, boy, I cock and I aim. I show you the real meaning of loony gang. If you try me, I catch a body. I never sell my soul to Illuminati. I'm a psycho, plus I'm slight retarded. And I know I'm the best cause my flow's the hardest. I'm killing these rappers, controlling the game. I don't do too much, I stay in my lane. I control the mind and I'll lead the body. You don't want no problems with Ease Miyagi. Mama said I had to knock you out. And since Pop dead, I'm the GOAT now. Cause all of y'all played out just like VCR. So listen to me when I'm spitting these bars. And y'all pussy, boy, just to let you know, I be in my zone when I'm off the throat. And when I pulled up, I'm moving slow, bruh. I keep a 4-pole in my double cup. Don't judge me, I won't judge you. But if you judge me, then it's fuck you. Woo! They like, Ease don't do it, but I had to do it cause these niggas stupid gone.